Welcome to our guide on RetailMeNot's cashback offers, where saving while you shop is easy. In this video, we'll cover each step of the process so that you can begin earning cash rewards in no time. To get started, visit our homepage and click the Cashback tab. Here, you can check out our existing cashback deals, or simply search for your favorite retailer using the search bar. To activate an offer, simply click the Get Reward button. To take advantage of cashback offers, you will need a RetailMeNot account. Account holders save nearly $40 more on average every year than those without accounts. It pays big to sign up. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll be prompted to log in. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up. Once logged in, the cashback offer will show that you successfully activated the offer. To continue, click the Shop button to be directed to the retailer's website. We strongly recommend shopping and completing your purchase immediately after activating the offer for our system to track your purchase accurately. Please activate the offer before adding anything to your shopping cart. Turn off any ad blockers, pop-up blockers, and any other browser extensions. Do not visit any other cashback site during the process, as it may interfere with our ability to track your purchase and calculate the correct cashback reward. Please complete all your shopping in the tab or window we populate after activation, and read the full details of the offer to ensure you meet all eligibility requirements to maximize your savings. Please note that our cashback rewards generally have a maximum payout that can be earned on a single purchase. Please read the offer details carefully to learn the maximum payout, which may vary by store. You can use up to 7 cashback offers per retailer per month, with a maximum of 20 total per customer per calendar month. Please be aware that you need to activate a new cashback offer for each purchase. It's important to note that if you activate the same offer more than once within 24 hours, you will not receive another confirmation email for that particular offer. You can check your rewards activity to see a list of each successful activation. If you don't see the offer listed, you still need to activate it. So find the offer you would like to use and click on the Get Reward button, then shop. We will now walk you through an example shopping trip. A few items have already been selected and are now ready to view in the cart. You will only receive cash back on your order subtotal, excluding discounts, taxes, shipping, and handling fees. The example subtotal is $132.85, so this order would earn you $15.94 in cashback rewards. Proceed to checkout and place your order. Please note that these dollar amounts are examples used only for illustration. Once you have completed your purchase, you can go to your rewards activity to check your rewards status. Once the retailer notifies us of your purchase, we will send you an email notification. You can check your rewards activity to view the reward, and within 45 days of your purchase, you can redeem your cash back through PayPal or Venmo. If you're missing a reward and it's been longer than 45 days, you can reach out to us via the Contact Us button or Chat with an Expert button on our help page at help.retailmenot.com. Our customer care team will need your order confirmation email to verify the order, including the order number and date, the items ordered with prices, and any discounts applied with the subtotal, taxes, fees, and shipping. If you still have questions, feel free to browse our FAQs, start a chat, or email our team. Thanks for watching! You're now ready to shop our thousands of offers and begin earning cash back.